What would you tell yourself back then that you wish you would have known?
Wonderful work-life balance. I hear it
Yes.
so often. Everybody thinks going into your own business potentially is going to offer that to you, and in some ways it offers you freedom and it offers you choices. How you get that work-life balance is certainly part of your time management system, and block out your time to yourself. As a mum as well, I had two children brought up through the business, and now adult children. And one has stayed helping in the business, as one has gone completely the opposite way. Is actually, yeah, lock out that time from and keep the business talk away from the home talk. And that's a very, very, very difficult thing to do, because people come and talk about what they do in their passion.
Yep.
When your passion becomes your business, becomes back into your home, it's an incredibly difficult road to take. So try and find that time. Be true to yourself in that. And it's not selfish. It is not selfish. It's healthy to actually allocate time to yourself, because you become a better you